Hello my beautiful ladies, it's Greta here, ladies relationship coach. And today my ladies, the video for you is how to get a guy to chase you. Ladies, do you like when the guy gives you flowers? Do you like when a guy asks you out? Do you like when a guy pays for your meal and is treating you like a lady and is trying to be funny and is trying to impress you and tells how pretty you are and all of that? Do you like that? Do you like when the guy is opening the car doors for you? Oh, I'm sure some of you didn't even have this, right? Do you like when the guy lets you first through the door? Do you like when a guy gives you flowers? Do you like when a guy serenades you? Did some of you had a guy ever serenading it to you? It's a really nice feeling, girls. Yeah, do you like that? Majority of you, I'm sure, sorry, there's hair in my mouth. Oh, now my lipstick, all finger covered with the lipstick. Oh. Okay, it's fine. You know what? We want that as women, right? We do want that as women. It makes us feel nice, it makes us feel feminine. When the guy is pursuing us, we appreciate the guy, it makes us feel safe, and we fall in love with a guy who puts an effort like that, right? Now, why men are not doing this anymore? Because we are spoiled to hell. Why are men so spoiled? Who has spoiled the man? We have spoiled the hell out of guys. Why and how? We have spoiled the hell out of guys by doing their job for them. What do I mean? By approaching them, by pursuing them, by acting totally desperate, by calling, by chasing, by taking men on holidays, by having a guy living in your house and paying for his rent, paying for his meals, by letting men taking advantage of us, by pursuing men in the clubs, by sleeping with them ASAP because we are so desperate for that bloody relationship. Why would a man pursue a woman when you are crawling on his neck, when you are paying for his meals? You're always available and he just needs to give you that call and boom, you are at his place having sex at the last minute. Why would he put an effort for that when he's getting everything free? It doesn't make sense. He's like, oh, let's see what else you're gonna give me. I'm the king. Wow, I'm so good. You're chasing me. All these women are chasing me. I must be it. Why a man behaving like this? Because we have spoiled them to the core. We have spoiled them so much that a guy is so used to a woman paying half and half, and a guy is so used to a woman pursuing him that there is no point for him to open the car doors. There is no point for him to give you flowers. There is no point for him to pay for that meal. There is no point for him to take you out. There is no point for him to charm you because you're the one charming him and you're the one sweeping him off his feet. You're treating him like a princess, right? So if you're treating him like a princess, he will automatically treat you like a prince. Do you want to feel like a prince? No, you don't, because you're the actual princess, right? It came to the point where the guy is taking a woman out on a date and he's literally splitting the bill for tea. This is how sad it is. Oh, it's equality, right? It's equality. Yes, it's equality. I'm very blessed. Thank you very much for giving me the right to do what I do and, you know, just to go for my goals and dreams and stuff and like be unstoppable. But I did not become a man, right? I did not change. I did not get the thingy, you know, my psychology didn't change. I was still born a woman. I am still born a woman to nurture, care. It's upsetting. To nurture, care, talk about feelings, emotions, and stuff like that. We are still born as women, ladies. Men are still born as men. Men have way more testosterone than women do. Men are born to go for their goals. Oh my god, I just need to take... need to take a minute. Men are born to go for their goals, dreams, and ambitions. Men are born to fight. Men are born to go for you. Like, men are born, but men are born with so much more testosterone than we women are born with. We naturally are born, like, our needs are to nurture, care, share, have babies, have families. These are our needs as women. Now something's in my eye again, sorry. These are our needs as women, right? We enjoy that. Yes, it's incredible that I have a choice in my life to build an empire, you know, to go for my dreams. It's making me very fulfilled, and I'm feeling so blessed and happy to influence so many women and to receive so much gratitude for what I do. I feel phenomenal, but actually these were not my original needs. This is not how I was created. For men, they were created with way more testosterone than we have. They were created to be the providers. They were created to be the protectors. They were created to build empires. Because again, we have so much more testosterone than we women do. We were created to be the hunters. Now, what is happening now? I was watching this guy on Instagram, right? He's a guy who coaches about business, and he literally left a video for the fellas. He says, like, fellas, what the bloody F are you doing? To my business coaching, my rooms are filled with women creating empires. Fellas, what are you doing? Like, now it's sad. I'm sorry, but it's sad, you know. And now when I watch the other dating coaches who say, oh women, this is how you approach man. Oh women, this is how you can do this. Oh women, do this, approach him like this. And there are dating coaches like that. It's just like, what are you doing? Like, men are already not making any effort because we are hanging on their necks from the desperation, right? And you, other dating coaches, are influencing more girls to act like that. Like, what is that? Or for man, we coaching, oh, you want a woman to chase you? Do this and do this and do that. It's not her job to chase a man. Like, let's just go back to our needs. Like, I understand that we don't live in the Stone Age anymore, but guess what? We are still born the same, with the same instincts. So let's go back to our original needs as women and men and learn how to complement each other and live in harmony and bloody stop this nonsense. Anyway, ladies, if you want a man to pursue you, stop chasing him. And I think this is what we should do as women. We should all have this empowerment together because it's in our hands. We have the power. We can stop this. We can change this together. We can bring out the best in the guys. We can get the guys to be gents again and try and sweep us off our feet, right? How do we do this? By stopping pursuing them all together, by being high value all together. Why would we influence that? Because men need us. Men need us more than we need them. Why? Because of sex. Simple. Men need sex. Okay? They need sex. We as women, we don't have this need. Okay, we have needs too, but it's not like this. Men think about sex how many times a day? Google it, you'll get shocked. How many times a month do you as a woman think of sex? I'm sorry, let me rephrase that. How many times a year do you as a woman feel like you need to go and have a century in years? You know what I mean, girls? We have the power. We're not desperate for that. Why are we acting like we are desperate for that? Let's stay strong together. Let's be high value, and let's let men put that effort in, because we will step it up. We will put that effort in because we will have no other choice to have us. Now, when you're chasing them, when you're pursuing them, and you're crawling on his neck, there is no point, no reason for him to do anything. He's like just taking it, choosing. He's choosing girls for one night stand, and he's hanging them as trophies on his wall. This is what he's doing. Let him work for it and enjoy the chase yourself, because this is our need. This is how we get our needs fulfilled, when guys are chasing us. Because as women, it makes us feel fantastic. It makes us feel like bloody princesses. Why? Because we are women with different needs from men. Okay, ladies, so this video got a bit emotional. Sorry about that. Okay, ladies, so thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below, what did you think? Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, join my high value women group, which actually has inspired me to make this video. I have so many clients, so many girls, so many girls watching me during the lives, getting in touch with me, that I was just like, you know, let me just do this. So join my high value women group, where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and do what I just told you to do, and change the world for the better. And follow me on my Instagram, which is called ladiesrelationshipcoach.com, not .com, Ladies Relationship Coach. I do Instagram lives where twice a week answering your questions free. And if you would like me to hold your hand and help you to bring out the best in your man, you can book me through my website, which is called ladiesrelationshipcoach.com. Kisses from London. Love you, girls. Mwah.